Hey guys, you want to know how to slay your brows like a pro? Stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm back. This is the Wookie Natural, and I'm back again with another video. I wanted to I moved from the bathroom to my office because I wanted to show you what I was going to do to my brows. So, let me take this. You have to excuse some of the teeth are missing, but I'm going to take my spoolie brush and brush my eyebrows up first. So before we do our brows, we got to make sure our brows are in good condition by being trimmed or whatever. Now, got family members just making a lot of noise tonight. Anyway, I'm brushing my hair up. That way I can get a better idea of what's the stray hairs. That's what I'm going to do first. And so I have a couple of implements that I'm going to use here. I know these are manicure scissors, y'all, but it gets the job done. Also have these scissors, okay? I have your trusty razor. And then I have a few other implements, which I'll introduce later. So first before you can really do your brows, you have to make sure your brows are in a good arch. So your arches are at right here. So what you try to do is shape them according to. So I've just done my brows so long that I just know what I'm going to do. So I'm going to start with my scissors first, and I'm just going to gently clip and clip along this imaginary line that I have right here. And that's where these really come in handy, because these kind of brush and cut at the same time. Okay, and it shouldn't be that much. I forgot my tweezers. But for right now, I won't use my tweezers. So that's what I'm going to do to just kind of trim the little hairs above my brow. That's what I'm going to do first. Okay. Kind of clean up the edge right there. Okay. Now I stopped going to the nail salon to get my eyebrows done because they were waxing them to death. And as I get older, I realized that I need to preserve my brows as much as I could. So that's why I chose in this method. Okay. So now that I've brushed them up, I'll brush them up again to see if I still got any brows that don't want to conform to the routine. I still got a few, so I'm going to just cut along the line. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm going to brush my brows down now. Well, actually, I'm going to keep them fluffed up, and I'm going to look for any areas where, like right here, there's some errant hairs. And I've got some gray hair, y'all, on my eyebrows because just getting old. So, let's see a few more hairs. Now I'm going to take my trusty, I don't know what they call these. They call this the Tinkle Rose. It's like a little microblader or whatever. So I'm going to take this and kind of clean them up underneath the brow. Just kind of go in and where I see, and I'll just kind of shape them up some more. All right, so I feel like I've cleaned up my brows sufficiently enough. So what I'm going to do is on one side, I'm going to do the nighttime routine, and on this side, I'm going to do a daytime routine. I'm going to start with the daytime routine. Well, daytime routine is fairly simple. Oh, I hope my stuff didn't drop down. Oh my goodness. Stuff just be falling all over the place. Good thing I have my backup right here. Okay. All right. So I'm taking my trusty brow tint. So say for example, this is your brows when you wake up. They've been shaped, shaped up a little bit, not perfect, but they're shaped up. Yeah, did I get all my hairs? Yeah, I think I did. Okay, they're shaped up. Okay, they're shaped up. Okay, so, in the morning you wake up, you should brush your brows. But if you do not, my little handy dandy brow tint, volumizing brow tint, should do the job. So on the left side, I'm going to show you what I do just to be camera ready. This is not girls' night out. This is not a date night. This is just to look decent, okay? So for my brows, is I just take the brow tint and work it in. This one's almost out. Maybe I have another one in here. I might have another one. Oh, this one might be the dark brunette. Okay. Don't really want to use the dark brunette because it's too dark. I'm just going to work with this. Okay. Now, once you trimmed your brows, I just showed you that you need to start with a trimmed brow to have your best results. But I'm showing you a way, once we amp it up, that you do not have to have a trimmed brow to make it look nice. So this is just your camera ready look. No big deal. It's what it is, okay? But if I want to add just a little bit more drama, I then take, this is the next amp up, if you want to amp it up just a little bit. So you take your brow pencil and you kind of work it in. And you see how it's developing a line. Now, both of these things are in brunette. Oh, I did have my brow tint. Oh, that's dark brunette. Okay, now. So this is in brunette too. I feel dark brunette is a little dark for me, so I don't use it, but a lot of people love to use it. And so there I can draw my brow there. Okay, so now I've got my brow. This is if I just want a little bit more sculpture, a little bit more depth, I need to be camera ready, but I need to take it up to the next little level, So the first level is just using your brow tint. Okay, first level is just using this brow tint. Second level is adding your brow pencil. Okay. Now, if you want to take it up to the third level, I got that for you too. To take it up to the third level, you're going to need this product and this product. You need this product and this product. This product is our Perfecting Concealer in Light Bronze. So I'm going to gently dab it above the brow and below the brow. Some people like to draw a line. Okay, other people don't. Okay. Now I don't have any makeup on, y'all, so you won't see how this really looks with makeup on, but it can really look flawless. So you see how I'm cutting my line there, and then I'm blending it. This is it, and I'm using, I need to tell you, this is the cream eyeshadow brush. So I use this brush for your brows too. So you see how that defines your brows even more. This is when you're going out, hot date, you know, you have your full face of makeup on, okay? I'm not going to show you. So day brow, okay, day brow. You can't really see it that great, but it's pretty dramatic on this side. Day brow. Now this side I'm going to do the night brow. Now we have two products. Mary Kay has two products for the night brow. I like to use both of them on here, on my eyebrows and my lashes. So the first one is the Lash Primer. Okay, Lash Primer. And I like to use that on my lashes. Okay, because it has B5 in it. But I also like to use it on my brow as well. Okay, like to use it on my brow. And this can be a good alternative. I won't use it on my brow today because I have another fantabulous product. But when I don't have this second product, which is our Lash and Brow Building Serum, this right here, I like to put it on my lash, on my brow. Just sweep it like that on my brow and do it on my lashes. This lash primer will help once you put on mascara to make sure that the mascara stays on longer and doesn't flake off. And plus it conditions the lashes as well. But what I want to show you is this product here. This is our Lash and Brow Building Serum. So you could put this on before you go to bed. That's why I said this is your night brow. And you just kind of sweep it along here. And this is great for old people like me. And you can use this on your lashes as well. But I'm not going to use this on my lash tonight. I'm just going to put a coat of it on here. What it does is it stimulates growth for your brow. So if you're like me, when you get a certain age, you need to preserve your brows, because if you can tell, the darker and more brows that you have, the younger you look. And so along with your makeup and everything that you're going to put on, it can make you look younger than you are, as opposed to just going with your sparse brows. So it always pays to fill in your brow. But I hope you enjoyed this. This is the end of it. So day brow, night brow, okay? So the importance of really doing your brows is you can see the difference. And it just helps your makeup to look more finished with your look, with your eye makeup, your makeup, your foundation, your lipstick and everything. It just helps you to look more finished. So that's why I decided to show you that. So until next time, see you soon. Have a nice one.